Next up we have Automation Engine, and this is really big. This is a game changer. We all know Integration Hub, this native low-code solution for integrating other API-based systems with ServiceNow into workflows controlled by ServiceNow. Anything that has REST or SOAP web service available can be integrated into ServiceNow workflows, and that's the daily life of many organizations. There's not just one system. There are, in many cases, hundreds of systems in enterprise organizations, and they need to talk to each other. ServiceNow is this platform of platforms. What is added in San Diego, and this is really brand new, and this comes on the heels of the acquisition of a startup company that created this technology, is the so-called RPA hub. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation, and this is essentially a technology that enables automating work in legacy systems, in documents, in very heavily UI-centric workflows. And ServiceNow now can integrate these non-API systems, legacy systems, into ServiceNow workflows. So as a result, your ServiceNow instance can be the controller of workflow automation across modern systems, things Salesforce, Workday, SAP, and legacy non-API systems where typically would need to go in and do some manual work like extract information, copy paste files, this kind of things. ServiceNow now will have the technology to create bots that will connect with these systems and perform these operations for you as what they call digital workers. And from the technical point of view, this will just become another type of action in your flow designer. So just like now you have your spokes available for all kinds of things, think Active Directory, Salesforce, you name it, it should be there, or you can create it, typically with low code effort involved only. Your RPA hub, once you get the license, will be installed and available as another option. This is now available with San Diego Release. So ServiceNow can be the controller for automated workflows across modern systems and legacy systems, digitizing and automating some of this manual work in legacy systems. This is big.